Stop being a sheep and start being the main character in your own story. Seriously, how many times are you going to follow the herd and live a boring, predictable life? It's time to stop being a people pleaser and start making decisions that are right for you. You're not going to stand out or achieve anything remarkable by just blending in with everyone else. If you're stuck in a rut because you're too worried about what others think, it's time for a major shift. Life's too short to be a sidekick in your own story. Take charge, make bold choices, and don't be afraid to stand out. Remember, nobody ever achieved greatness by playing it safe or following the crowd. So, step up, take the lead, and become the main character in your own life. It's time to rewrite your story and make it one worth telling.